Vacuum brake boosters will probably be with us for a long time. Heck, even the Tesla uses a vacuum-powered brake booster. It is the most efficient and economical way to amplify the force exerted by the driver. But where the booster gets its vacuum is changing. Many cars and trucks use a vacuum pump to power the brake booster on their gas, diesel, and even electric-powered vehicles. For a vacuum brake booster to work, it needs a vacuum source. In the past, all that was required was a port on the intake manifold. Now, vacuum pumps are the choice for negative pressure power. The condition of the diaphragm inside the booster is also important. If it is cracked, ruptured, or leaking, it won't hold vacuum and can't provide much power assist. Leaks in the master cylinder can allow brake fluid to be siphoned into the booster, accelerating the demise of the diaphragm. If there is brake fluid inside the vacuum hose, that's a good indication the master cylinder is leaking and needs to be either rebuilt or replaced. Wetness around the back of the master cylinder would be another clue of this kind of problem. To check the vacuum brake booster, pump the brake pedal with the engine off until you've bled off all the vacuum inside the unit. Then hold the pedal down and start the engine. You should feel the pedal depress slightly and the engine vacuum enter the booster and pulls on the diaphragm. No change? Well, then a crack in the vacuum hose is the next place to look. If it's okay, the problem could be inside the booster, which should be replaced. If a customer is ordering a brake booster, one component that is often left off the order is the check valve or filter that is installed between the vacuum source and the booster. While not all vehicles have these filters or valves, if it's not replaced, it can cause a comeback for the shop. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.